Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your full-width premium sunroof in the 2025 Kia K4. I have in front of me here a GT Line Turbo Limited in Snow White Pearl. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, the button for your sunroof is right up here in the ceiling in this cluster of buttons in the middle here. It's a little recessed. Now this button will act differently depending on how hard you press or pull it. If you wanted to fully open everything, so open the power shade that's here and open the window, you're going to go ahead and hard pull back. The shade is going to open, and then the window is going to open fully. If from here you wanted to just close the window, a light press forward will close the window but not close the shade. A hard press forward would have closed the window and then continue to close the shade all in one go. If you wanted to just open the shade on its own but not open the window, you just lightly pull back on that button and your power shade will open. If you wanted to ventilate it, I'm just going to go ahead and close that. To ventilate it by just popping the back of the sunroof up a little bit, if you press the button up into the ceiling, it's going to open the shade, and then it's just going to tilt the back of the sunroof a little bit. Let some fresh air in. If you wanted to close it from there, you can just press this up, and it will close just the window, and again, the shade is still open. And if you wanted to close that, you just go ahead and press the button forward, and now the shade's closed. And just to show you from the outside, this is what it looks like when it's vented, and this is what it looks like when it's fully open. And you do have kind of a bug net in the front here. Just note not to forget to wash that when you wash the car. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, guys.